Struggling to get things done? Let's master time management in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Plan your day. Write down everything you need to achieve. Businessman, entrepreneur or student or anybody for that matter, if you don't manage your time efficiently, you will never achieve success in your life. So follow these 10 steps and do it. Step 2. Put your goals on physical paper. It boosts commitment. Step 3. Follow 80-20 rule. Step 4. Stop multitasking. It kills productivity. Step 5. Remove all distractions from your environment. Tired, take a nap. Rest boosts efficiency. Step 7. Learn to say no. Protect your time. Step 8. Delegate non-important tasks. Free up your schedule. Step 9. Don't wait for the perfect time. Do it now. Step 10. If it takes under 5 minutes, do it immediately. Thank you.